If you do not have a particular daily routine in your life, there are high chances that you may face lots of difficulties in doing the things that you are supposed to do. So, because of this, you may soon start feeling burnt out, exhausted, tired, energyless, boredom all the time. Because of this, you will always try to delay the things that you are supposed to do. You will always try to procrastinate all the time. Most students, working professionals, businessmen, businesswomen, entrepreneurs, all these are suffering from these things on an average daily basis. For yourself, for your family, for your career or job, for your business, for your studies, you are not able to make time for anything. Lots and lots of people are trapped in it. They want to do something, but they don't know what can be done. They don't know how to get out of it. The good news is there are certain tools and techniques are available which will help you, enable you to face these challenges more effectively and also come out of these challenges completely. Once you successfully install and implement these tools and techniques in your life, you will immediately experience a big shift in your life. Thereafter, your life will be progressive and growth oriented. So take charge of your time and energy. Take charge of your mind. So if you want to change your life with a big shift, please reach out to me. Join my community and experience miracles in your life, business, or career, or in relationships. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best.